Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Hannah. I am Hannah, and I hand make a lot of stuff. Anyway, happy Friday. Today is Friday Sews, started by Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room. And she has started that whole push basically to share about what she did during the week, sewing-wise. So unfortunately, this week there isn't a whole lot to show. Some of it you've already seen. The corset was one of them, so I finished the first corset mock-up, and that was in the video that I posted earlier this week. So if you're curious, please go check that one out. And secondly, the other project that I actually finished this week was the Starburst circle skirt, which I also posted a short on and some pictures and everything. And I am super happy with how it turned out. I really like the color combo and everything. And right now it is perfect for this time of year. It is nice and bright and very, yes, very springy, especially with the flowers. Definitely need a little bit of that right now. But yeah, this week was definitely interesting. Lots and lots of snow, lots and lots of kids home. So if you were in that storm and got lots of snow, my sympathies are with you. And while we live here, and if you live here, you've got to at least be okay with snow. But this year, I'm kind of done. Normally I do like winter, like having 4 seasons and everything, but this winter is definitely has not been the best. We definitely need the snow, especially up in the mountains, for the water and everything. Living out here in the high desert, it's very dry. And so fortunately this year has definitely filled up all of our reservoirs, all of our lakes, and gotten some of those streams flowing that probably haven't been running for a couple of years. But yeah. Anyway, the couple of things that I am working on currently, I'm working on another society dress in this beautiful navy blue Ponte. I actually made a jacket out of this, the Metro Blazer, about 4 months ago, back at the end of the year. And I just like the texture of it. I'm usually not a big fan of synthetic materials. This has, I believe this is a polyester and nylon blend. But I really like the feel of it. I really love the drape of it. And I think that it will look perfect with the gatherings and everything. And it's sturdy enough to, bear up under, to sew these gathers really nicely. So I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out. The facing was giving me some fits last night. That's why you see all the clips. I'm trying to keep it down, and hopefully having it sit overnight will help it coming up. If it doesn't, I'm going to need to put some like seam under there. Hopefully it won't show through on the back side. I've done that before with really good results with the facing and everything. So on another dress. And it didn't show or anything, so we'll see. Anyway, hopefully I'm going to be able to finish that up today. And then next up, I'm working on the Parker Ponte pants, and I've got it all cut out and everything in this quite crazy print. Oh my goodness. There we go. This is the back, I believe. Yeah. Kind of a crazy print, but this was also a freebie at the fabric sale that I went to back at the beginning of February, and so literally free. So might as well take a shot at it and see how it works out, and if it doesn't work out, it'll either go in the trash or to Goodwill. Anyway, in other news, I actually have started a new channel. It is Hannah's High Desert Garden, and that is something that I do during the growing season, which actually starts now. I do a lot of my fertilizing and seed starting at the beginning of March. Unfortunately, through March, April, and the beginning of May, the weather around here is not super great for putting stuff outside. Sometimes you can, especially during the day, but the nights are still pretty cold all the way up through the middle of May. So, but I am wanting to walk people through how that works and what I do, especially for people who live in a high desert area. and want to do some gardening, because there is some special considerations. So anyway, I will link that down below and keep you updated on some of the other things I'm doing. Wedding dress part 2 will be coming your way hopefully next week. I'm still waiting on some of the pictures from the dress, from the wedding and everything. Looks like you guys really liked the first part. Got some really good feedback on that. And then I've also got some spring and summer dresses that I'm going to be working on. They're on my cutting table over there. And also that includes my spring and summer capsule wardrobe that I'm going to be working on. At the end of March, I'm going to be traveling and going down to Southern California. And so hoping to be able to hit up at least Mood Fabrics, if not a couple other ones in the LA Garment District. I'm super excited about that. Kind of a day trip during this whole vacation that I'm taking. And so I'm hoping to be able to get some really good fabrics there. Super excited about that. That's been kind of a dream of mine for a couple of years. Now, of course, the one in New York is the ultimate dream, and some of the other places in New York. There are a couple other shops that I shop at online that I really like and want to visit in person. But that's going to have to wait for probably another year or two, just as far as financial considerations and everything. And also working it out with my brother and sister-in-law who live in Vermont and are about 5-hour drive from New York City. So, so it's good to have family close by in those cases. This one, the trip to LA, is actually coinciding with a trip down to Irvine, which is only about a 2-hour drive from LA. In good traffic. Oh boy. But super excited to be able to go visit some of those places that have been on my bucket list. So anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy Friday wherever you are, and take care. Bye.